students. How are you all, beta? I think you all, I hope, beta, and I pray to God you all are well and doing well. Class 10 students. From 2-3 days, I was thinking to discuss with you something, beta. But because of the burden of completing the lecture, it was not possible to give even a single minutes to little bit for extra talk. But right now, this lecture is for chapter 5, AP miscellaneous exercise, optional exercise 5.4, and only 5 questions are there, I think. I will check now. So therefore, I think we have 3-4 minutes we can discuss. I would like to discuss with you. See, beta, class 10 students, I want maximum of you should score 100 by 100 in board examination. Okay, and if I want, you also want. I know you also, many of you are very dedicated and very good students. They are very serious about the studies and they are doing very well. Okay, see, beta, those who are not taking interest, beta, please create interest. Otherwise, it will be very late for you to achieve that pace that the students who have already got. Okay, see, beta, one thing I would like to share with you. You all know what is the word discipline. You all know about the word. Let me clear it. Some excess ink is spread. See, you all know about the word discipline. D-I-S-C-I-P-L-I-N. You all know discipline. What is the word discipline? You have learned about discipline. See, beta, this is the only key factor that will make you score 100 by 100 in mathematics in your first board examination. I promise you, I just want this from you. This is the only funda to get 100 by 100 of your efforts. See, beta, see, let me explain you. What is the position of these letters, alphabetic letters in the alphabets? See, what is this for? 9, 19, 3, 9, 16, 12, 9, and what is N-O, 14, and E is 5. Okay. See, beta, now see. 13 plus 19, 32, 35, 44, up to this 60, 72, 81, 95, 100. Yes or not? Very frankly, class 10 students, this is the only funda that will make sure that you will get 100 by 100 output of your efforts. If you are not disciplined, you are not regular, you are not attentive, you are not serious about your studies, it is very difficult that you can get your target. See, beta, create interest. Try to have fun in solving the questions. Make mathematics a fun. It's your perception, beta, that it is difficult. It's your perception. Your thoughts, your thought process is there that you have to shake once. If you are not getting my points, just once if you are shaking yourself, you will get that What is that saying in Hindi? Nazar badli, nazare badle. Why I am discussing these all things today? 2-3 texts I got from the students. Sir, समझ नहीं आ रहा सर, सर समझ नहीं आ रहा, क्या करें सर, क्या करें सर. One student, very friendly, I don't want to take his name, he just asked me, sir 4.4 में वो क्वेश्चन कैसे होगा? This was the language he was using. I thought him, have you seen watched the video beta? Sir, no. Okay. 4.3 video? No. 4.1 video? No. Then how can you, how are you asking, how dare you are asking exercise 4.4? सर मैंने सोचा कुछ तो पूछ लूँ यार. Is there any prize distribution that you have to ask question and get prize? Whatever the funda, you have not watched my videos only to show off that this question I have asked. I have put a doubt in front of all the group members that you are just boasting that I have put a doubt. It is very bad beta. It was so disappointing. If you are in class, I was physically in front of you, definitely we will discuss many things. But this is not the platform to discuss each and everything beta. We will discuss our questions only. But it was a little bit, it was pinning me. The things that was happening from 2-3 days, it was poking me, it was provoking me. So that I have to interact with you. Okay beta, please do not do such kind of silly things. Be disciplined and get your 100. You give me your discipline, I will give you your 100. I promise I will give you your 100 if you are just giving me these words, these letters, discipline. Only one word I am asking. And I am promising 100 to you. Okay beta. Then one more thing beta. It was also very disappointing. Class 10 students. Very frankly, yesterday I got some time. Yesterday I was having some time and I started to watch comments on my video. By chance I started to watch comments on my video, read comments on my video, and I read 2-3 comments which were very disappointing. Disappointing not in terms of unlikes and the bad comments those were given on my video. It doesn't matter for me. It doesn't matter to me. Lots of haters are there in the market. Okay beta, they are commenting, they are showing their bad attitude by commenting silly things there. It's their perception and they are little bit 2-3 steps okay to the back of me. Okay, I am ahead of them, that's why they are backbiting. Okay, I do not consider anyone, whatever is the number of likes, whatever is the number of, whatever the type of comment, it doesn't matter to me. I am doing my work honestly, it's enough for me. But students, when I was watching the comments, I was some views on the comments, and it was shocking here. It was shocking. 2-3 students of our, I think they are the students, and they were abusing each other. And very frankly, the name of that one person was Narendra Yadav, and he was using abusive language. Whoever is the Narendra Yadav, I don't know who is the Narendra Yadav, and who is, might be someone outsider. But if he is insider, please Narendra Yadav, do not do such silly things. It is not possible, it is not impossible that we can't discover you. Definitely, next time I found such kind of mistakes, I have reported him. I have reported his ID. From the next day, he will not be able to watch my videos at all. But why he was abusing? He was abusing another student. He was abusing another student. He was not commenting on me. If it was the comment on me, it's okay for me. I will not consider it. but he is trying to dominate a person. Is it your upbringing, beta? I think your upbringing is very good. Your parents, your home culture is very good. Your study culture, you are teaching, you are studying in Prince Academy, MHRD rank 1 institute, and still, what does it mean? It means your upbringing is very good. Your teaching scenario, your culture is also very good. But still, this is the bad things. This shit is in your mind. And you are using such bad language on the open platform where not all the Prince, all the Sikar, all the Rajasthan level teachers and students, people are watching videos of Prince, and you are using such language. If you are the part of Prince, I am sure next time it will not be there. This such kind of comment, bad comments will not be there. You can't abuse each other, beta. You can't dominate each other. Okay? Very frankly, these two things I discussed with you from the depth of my heart. It was very poking me that class 10 students are not up to the mark. They are not respecting their teachers, their teaching culture, their parents, whatever is this. Because the videos, many parents are also watching the videos, and many parents are calling me and they are suggesting, sir, do not use such kind of marker, this is not viewable, this is not good, or whatever they are giving me suggestions, they are praising me. If there is a complaint, they are complaining me also. All things are welcome, all suggestions are welcome, but beta, the rude behavior, if very frankly, whoever you are, Narendra Yadav, if you are the part of Prince, this is the last time I am just reporting you and I have quit. But in the next time, if the next time I found such kind of comments from you, definitely I will report you in cyber cell. Definitely I will report you in cyber cell. And see, it is very easy for us to find you. From the PC, from the IP address you are using such kind of language, we will discover you and then the cyber cell will communicate with you. Very bad, beta. Whoever are you, if you are not the part of Prince, still, if you are not the part of Prince, then why are you watching the video? If you are watching the video, at least you should focus on the study, or you should discuss regarding the topic, regarding the subject, and you are here and abusing another student. Very bad, beta. Very bad. Whoever are you? Next time, it will be last time for you. 2-3 students once also there, 2-3 persons, I'm not saying students were there, 2-3 persons were there, but these things, silly things are happening again and again. This is very bad. Okay? Now students, come to the form and start the chapter. Whatever the things I have discussed with you, leave those things at that point. Think after the video. Now focus on the chapters. Exercise 5.4, question number 1. Exercise 5.4, question number 1. See beta, which term of this AP is first negative term? Which term of this AP is first negative term? First of all, you students, tick mark on this question. This is an important question. This is very important question. Okay, now see, your AP 5.4, see beta, exercise 5.4 for class 10th. This is the miscellaneous exercise, na? Optional exercise, question number 1. What is given here? Your AP given is 121, 117, 113 and dash 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 dash. See beta, as the AP is decreasing, definitely there will be a point where the terms will become negative. -4, -4, -4, -4, -4. At some time it will be negative. The term will be negative. What we have to find, which term will be the first negative term. Okay, which one will be the first negative? See, suppose the AP is -3, suppose the AP is 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1. Then this is the first negative term of this AP, yes or no? Okay, now see beta, in many questions here the hint is also given. In many books different type of solutions are given. Right now see, I am giving you Desi Jugaad solution, which will work 101%. And it is very easy and very simple. Don't worry about anything. The way of finding this is also considered as right. Do not worry. Okay. If we have something extra, then why we should not use that? We will make the question easy. See. First you tell me what is the difference, what is the element which is the making difference positives and negatives is 0. But greater than 0 is positive, less than 0 is negative. Yes or no? Oh, sorry, I wrote is here. This is positive, na? Negative, na? On number line, negative, positive. The difference between negatives and positives is created at this platform. This is 0. 0 is the factor which is defining, which is creating a wall between negatives and positives. Okay, it means 0, above 0 positive, below 0 negative. Now try to think out. If I am considering 0 is any term of this AP, 0 is any term of this AP, and what can you say? If this is decreasing AP and somewhere on the way on 30, suppose 39th position, I found 0, then definitely term up from 1 plus this will be first negative, yes or no, will be negative, and term before this will be positive, yes or no? Yes or no? 0 is the wall between positives and negatives. Okay, here if 0 is the term of this AP we found, suppose we found 0 is the 39th term, then definitely 40th will be first negative. Why? Because this is decreasing AP, and 30th will be last positive, you can say. Last positive, first negative, whatever. Okay. What I am trying to make you understand, beta, just think it. Okay, and try to work over 0. See, suppose what I am doing, saying here. See, what is first term? What is common difference? This minus this, minus 4. I am considering AN is 0. I am assuming that AN is 0 and trying to find out AN. See, whatever the value of N here, definitely the integer next to the N will give you first negative term. See, beta, if this is 39, this is 0, 40th will be next integer will be there, which will give you first negative term. Okay, in the same way, suppose we know the formula A plus N minus 1D is AN, yes or no? A is 121, N minus 1D is minus 4. This is 0, yes or no? This is 0. See, 121 minus 4n plus 4 is equal to 0. What 125 minus 4n is equal to 0. Minus 4n is equal to minus 125. From here 4n is 125. From here n is equal to 125 by 4. See beta, what is n? What is n? 125 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12, 5 5 1 4 1s are. N will be 31 is to 1 by 4. N will be 31 is to 1 by 4, or you can say 30.25. Whatever is the 2 point decimal, just write in the mixed fraction. It will be 31, sorry, is to 1 by 4. See beta, up to 31st term, all terms were positive. If we add something, some part of D to 31st term, 1/4 part of D to 31st term, it becomes 0. And what is the next integer? 32, it will be the first negative term. See beta, once again I am repeating, here the AP, decreasing AP was given, the decreasing AP was given. We considered first term, we found first term is 121, common difference is -4. We assumed AN is any term of this AP is 0, which is the bar between positives and negatives. That's why we considered. From here we got n is equal to, from here we got n is equal to 31 is to 1 by 4. What does it mean? See beta, up to 31s all were positive. 31 point something is 0, and the next integer 32, 32nd, it means 32th term will be first negative term. First negative term. Okay, yes or no? Got my point? Done beta? See beta, if you will say, sir, 30 is to 1 by 4, 0. 0 is not the term of this AP. Do not worry. But at least we got the hint up to which point a 0 can be the term of this AP. Before that, all are positive. After that, all are negative. Okay, it means n is equal to 31 is to 1 by 4. Here you can write first negative term will be next integer, and next integer after 31 is 32. Yes or no? Therefore 32 will be the first negative term of this AP. Take the screenshot. Done beta? Done? Now next question. Question number 2. Okay, done beta? It was so simple. You can rewind the video if you have not understood. Definitely it will be helpful for you. Okay. Question number 2. Exercise 5.4. See what is the statement given here? The sum of the third and the seventh term is of AP is 6. Okay. Their product is 8. Okay. Find the sum of first 16 terms. Very simple beta. See, what is first condition? A3 and A7 is 6. Okay. What it can be written as? A plus 2D. It is A plus 6D. 6. Yes or no? Done beta? A plus A 2A. 2D plus 6D 8D is equal to 6. From here if you take 2 common, A plus 4D is equal to 6. It will cancel it. A plus 4D is equal to 3. Okay, leave it. What was the second condition? Product of third and seventh is 8. Product of third and seventh is 8. Third and seventh product is 8. Okay. Now see, what is this? A plus 2D, A plus 6D is equal to 8. Now see, if you see, this equation will be in product of A and D, and that will definitely disturb because here is A and D not in product. Then what I am using, see beta, I am using a method which we will discuss in our next chapter, chapter 3. See beta, from here I am getting A, value of A in terms of D, and I am putting here. Put the value of A is equal to 3 minus, shift 4D that side, A is equal to 3 minus 4D in this equation. See beta, A is 3 minus 4D, this is 2D. A is 3 minus 4D, this is 6D, is equal to 8. Okay, done beta. Now see, if you see 3 minus 4 plus 2 minus 2D, and here 3, 6 minus 4 plus 2D is equal to 8. Is equal to 8. And if you observe, see beta, A minus B, A plus B, A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. A plus B, A plus B, A minus B. A square minus B square, and this is 8. Okay beta, now see, this is 9 and this is 4D square, this is 8. From here minus 4D square, here is 8, shift like that, what it will be, minus 4D square minus 1, minus cancels minus. From here you will get D square is 1 by 4, okay, D square is 1 by 4, therefore D is plus minus 1 by 2, D is plus minus 1 by 2. Okay, we have D, we have got D, see beta, we have got D. D is equal to 1 by 2 and D is equal to minus 1 by 2. If I am using D is equal to 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2, what I will get? A is 3 minus 4D. A is 3 minus 4D. It will cancel it. It will be 3 minus 2. A will be 1. Okay, that side. If D is minus, A will be 3 minus 4 into minus 1 by 2. It will be cancelled. Yes or no? What it will be? Minus minus plus. Minus minus plus. Okay, and it will be 1. Okay, it will be 5. Now what we have to find? What we have to find? We have to find S16. See beta, once you put these values and these values in this equation, if all are satisfied, then it's okay. If one of them is not satisfied, then consider one situation. Okay, now see, A3 plus A7. A3 plus A7 is 6. If I am using this one, A is, see beta, A3 and A7. A3 and A7 is 6. If I am using this one, A is 1 and D is 2. It is A plus 2D, A plus 6D is equal to 6. 2A plus 8D is equal to 6. 2 into 1 plus 8 into half. 4, 2 plus 4, 6. Satisfied? Okay. These are satisfying? Done. Then you put these values. Then you put these values here. 2 into A plus 8 into D. 10, 4. Also satisfied. Okay, do not worry. Both are satisfied. Find the value of S16. Use whichever the values. Okay, if you want to find the S16 using both value, you can use. If you find the value of different by different, you can, it's your choice. In both cases the answer will be same. This is the same condition that was used in, which was used in question number, I do not know remember the question number, but the 200 logs were there. NE16 and NE25 was same. Why? Because some negative terms are there. Because of them the sum was equal. Here A and A are different, D and D are different, but because of that funda it will be same. See, S16. I am finding S16 using this. Okay, if these are different, still don't worry. If you are right, find the answer. Done. X16. N by 2, 2A n minus 1 into d. Okay, 8. 2 plus 15 by 2, yes or no? 8 into 2 plus, what is this? 7.5. 8 into 9.5. What it will be? 9.5 into 8, 76 answers. 76. Okay, beta? Done? Sure. You check the calculation, it's your duty. Okay? Just watch the video, check the calculation and try to understand the concept. This was the same question we have question discussed in 5.2 and 5.3, but the difference here the product condition was given which was little bit different from that concept. Okay, done beta? Take the screenshot. If there is any collection query, you check by yourself and you make it right. Don't worry. Question number 3. Question number 3. See beta, what is question number 3 here? See, read the statement everybody. Everybody read the statement. What is question number 3? See beta, question number 3. Okay, a ladder. See beta, this question is very simple. Once you try to understand, I am trying to give you practical example so that you can understand. See beta, you all have seen a ladder in your home. I think all have seen. All you are in Tanka, all have seen. This is a kind of ladder we use. No? Okay. These are supportive bamboos, and these are supportive bamboos, and these are rungs. These are called as beta rungs. Where during step up we use our, you put our step now, we put our step, then here, then here, then here, then here. These are called as rungs. Okay. What is the type of question is there? Let me make the figure once again. The figure is here, the ladder is of this shape. Ladder is of this shape. See beta, my drawing is very good, so do not comment on the drawing. This is the first rung. This is the first rung, which is 45 centimeter long. Which is 45 centimeter long. Okay. This is the last rung, which is 25 centimeter long. Which is 25 centimeter long. The distance between first and the last rung is given 2.5 meter. It means 250 centimeters. Yes or no? 2.5 meter can be written as 250 centimeter. Try to understand the question. A ladder is given. First rung is 45 centimeter long. Last rung is 25 centimeter long. The difference, the distance between the first and the last rung is 250 centimeters. And the difference between two successive rungs is 25 centimeter. See beta, one gap is of 25 centimeters. Okay, now see, one gap is of 25 centimeters. Suppose n gaps are there. Suppose n gaps are there. 1, 2, like this. 2, 3, 4, and so on. One gap, two gap. This is gap beta. Gap 1, gap 2, gap 3, gap 4, and those gaps are same. Okay, see. One gap is for 25 centimeter, covering 25 centimeter of the total distance. Okay, n gaps will cover 25 into n centimeters. It means these are the gaps up to this is 25n, which is equal to 250. This from here 250n is 250. Sorry, 25n is 250. What does it mean? N is 250 by 25, that is 10. From here you can say n is 10. 10 gaps are there. 10 gaps are there. Okay. 10 gaps are there. 10 gaps are there. and see how many rungs are making 10 gaps. See beta, this is rung 1, this is rung 2. 2 rungs are used to make 1 gap. Then 3, 4, 5, see. Gap 1 is made by 2 rungs, 2 made by 3, 3 gap made by 1, 2, 3, 4 rungs. Same way, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 gaps are made by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rungs. It means therefore number of rungs here 10 plus 1, that is 11. Number of rungs is 11. Are you getting my point, beta? See, once again I am repeating this question. A ladder was given in such a way that first rung was 45 centimeters, last rung was 25 centimeters. The distance between first and the last rung was 250 centimeters, and the gap between 2 rungs was 25 centimeters each. In the same way, we suppose n gaps. I am saying n gaps. 1 gap 25, n gap 25n, and actual total gap is 250. 25n is equal to 250, n is 10. N is 10 means number of gaps. Number of gaps, and 1 gap is formed by 2 gaps by 3 gaps, 1, 2, 3, 3 gaps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 rungs, 3 gaps by 4 rungs, 4 gaps by 5 rungs, 5 gaps by 6 rungs, 10 gaps by 11 rungs. Therefore, total rungs are 11. Total rungs are 11, where first rung is 45, last rung is 25. Okay, done? You understood the condition? Take the screenshot. You have taken the screenshot? Now see beta, we are going to the question. Now we are going to solve the question. What is the question asked here? What is the question asked here? Here is asked, what is the length of wood used in the rungs only? In the rungs only. See beta. First rung is 45. Last rung is 25. This is centimeter. I am just making an AP. Understand. First term is 45. Last term is 25. And this last term is 11th term. 11th. Why 11? See beta, the portion I have made earlier, I have rubbed earlier, you have taken the screenshot. This is also, this part, that part you also have to write. Okay, I am here just solving the question. This is 11th, or you can say A11 is 25 and N is 11. We have to find S11 bus. We have to find S11. Okay, now see, because the length of rungs, total length of rungs is equal to the wood used. Okay, see, S11 will be N by 2 into A plus AN. 11 by 2, 50, 70. Cancel it, 35. 11 into 35, that is 385 centimeters. This is the answer. This is the length of wood required to make all the rungs. See beta, once again you want to see the question, you rewind the video and please watch the video again. It will be clear. See beta, one ladder was there. First was 45 centimeter, last was 25. The total distance was 250. One gap was of 25 centimeters. That's why total 250 by 25, 10 gaps were there. One gap used 2 rung. 2 gap used 3 rung. 3 gap used 4 rung. It means 10 gap will use 11 rung. That's why this is the 11th rung. and these are forming an AP. Okay, done beta. Okay, sure. Why? See beta, at equal distances if you are putting, the length of these rungs will kept decreasing in a uniform way. In a uniform way, that's why this is an AP. Okay, done. Question number 3, 5.4. You can take the screenshot. Okay. Now see beta, question number 10. Sorry, 4. What I am saying here? Question number 4. Very easy and very simple question. Very easy and very simple question beta. See question number 4. Question number 4. The houses in a row are numbered consecutively 1 to 49. Okay. Show that there is a value of x such that the sum of the numbers of the houses preceding. Okay. Before x and succeeding x is equal. See beta. Suppose in your street there are 49 houses. Okay. And all houses are numbered like this. Number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 49. Okay. 1 to 49, total 49 houses, 9 houses are there and they are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and up to 49. And what is given in the statement, there is a point, there is a house and suppose that house is x. Now try to understand the condition. This house number is x, means this is value of x is from 1 to 49. Okay, x is the number of some house such that the sum of numbers written here preceding x and sum of numbers written here succeeding x. This sum, you can say this sum is S1 and this sum is S2. S1 is equal to S2. Okay, see beta. In other words, you can say from 1 to 49 there is a number in between such that before that number sum and after that numbers, the sum of the numbers is equal. See beta, 1 to 49s are numbers. In between there is a number x. Before that sum of these numbers and after this x sum of these numbers is same. Okay, then find the value of x. It is so simple beta. See, this is an AP, this is also an AP. We will find the AP formula, find it sum, equate and we will get the result. Do not worry. See, first you see this. Before x, what will be the term? Last term x minus 1 or not? Yes or no? Done beta. And after that, whatever is this, the next term will be x plus 1. Yes or no? Here is the AP where first and the last terms are known. Here is the AP where first and the last term are the known. Sn formula n by 2 into a plus l. See beta, formula is n by 2 into a plus l. A we have, L we have. Here A we have, L we have. N is only required. N is only required for both these. You will solve it. See beta. Here if we see number 1 first term, number 2 second term, number 3 third term, number 4 fourth term, x minus 1 th term. Total terms here are x minus 1. See beta, according to the denotions, what I am writing here, a is 1, last term is x minus 1 and n is also x minus 1. And what we have to find as x minus 1. Got my point? And if you see this portion, here a is x plus 1, L is 49 and n is main funda. What is n beta? From here, how will you able to count? Do not worry. See beta, from 1 to this, the position is 49. Yes or no? The position is 49th, but not this. Up to this positions are removed. Up to x positions are removed. What is this? 49 minus x. See beta, from here to here, this is 49. This is the point x. This portion is removed. From here to here it was 49. From here to here this is x. What it will be? It will be 49 minus x. Okay, therefore from here to here it was total 49. Up to x the points, the number terms are removed. Therefore number of terms here is 49 total minus x terms removed. Okay, here we have to find s. 49 minus x. Okay beta, just you take the screenshot. You have taken the screenshot. Now see. Now see. We find sx minus 1. N by 2 into a plus an. 1 will cancel this. What it will be? X minus 1 into x by 2. This is x minus 1. Okay beta, here see s 49 minus x, it will be n by 2 into a plus an. Last term is 49. Here first term is 1, last term is x minus 1. Here first term is x plus 1. First term, last term. Okay, see what happened. 49 minus x by 2 here. X plus 50. Done. This is x 49 minus x. This is x 49 minus x. Now see beta, I am doing the remaining portion here. I am doing the remaining portion here so that you can relate whole the thing. See, what was the condition? Sx minus 1 is s 49 minus x. Sx minus 1 is equal to x. Sorry, s 49 minus x. Now what will we do? This is value beta x minus 1 into x by 2. And this is 49 minus x into x plus 50 divided by 2. 2 cancels 2. Okay, now multiply. Here is x square minus x is equal to. Here multiply 49x. 49 into this 2450, this into this minus x square, this into this minus 50x. Okay, now see beta once again, x square minus x, 49 minus 50 minus x. Okay, minus x square plus 2450. See beta, minus x is both sides. If you, because these are same sign in both sides. When you will shift it, it will be plus. Same signs are cancelled. Here is x square, here is minus x square. Opposite signs will not be cancelled on the different sides. Okay. When it will be shifted here, it will be plus. Okay. Done. Now see. 2x square is 2450. X square is 2 will cancel this 1225. From here x is equal to root of 1225. And this is beta plus minus 35, but x will be positive only. X will be positive only. Why? These are natural numbers. They were natural number written. Okay, you got my point. Once you take the screenshot. Okay, now again, now I am re-explaining this. See beta, what was given? It was given that 1 to 49 numbers. Suppose leave the house. Here only 1 to 49 numbers are written there. A list of 1 to 49 numbers is there. There is a point, there is a number x such that before that and after that the sum of numbers is equal. Okay, what we did? We consider it x. The term before x is x minus 1. This is 1 AP, this is the first AP. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to x minus 1. And the next term to x will be x plus 1. Therefore, x plus 1 and so on up to 49 is the second AP. Now, what was our objective? Our motive was to find the sum of these two APs and compare them. What we did here, A1, last term is x minus 1, total terms are 1 to position up to x minus 1. We found x minus 1 using this formula, n by 2 a plus L. 1 cancelled 1, x minus 1 into x by 2. This was the sum of these AP, sum of this AP. Now here the first term is x minus 1, last term is 49. The fight was what? The issue was total number of terms in this case. And it was found here to here 49, and these x terms are removed from here to here. 49 minus x. 49 minus x is the number of terms in this AP. By using the same formula, we found S 49 minus x, n by 2 a plus L. This is. According to condition, these were given equal. We put them equal. The 2 was cancelled with 2. Then we multiplied these and these. These 2 and these 2. Whatever we found x square 1 2 2 5. X is equal to root of this, and this is the square of 1 2 5 is the square of 35. That's why its square root is 35. Positive 35 is the answer because positive numbers were there. Okay, and also you can find beta 1 to 34, sum of 1 to 34 numbers, and sum of numbers from 36 to 49. See beta 1 to 34, their sum, and 36 to 49, their sum will also equal. That's why the question was formed. Okay, take the screenshot, and if you have not understood, watch the video again and again. It will surely help you. Done beta? Okay. Should we move to our next question? See, next question. Question number 5. Question number 5. See beta, what is given here? This is a practical visualized question. Visualization beta, observation, your observation. Once again, I am using the same word. What? If your observation is sharp, what it will be? You will get, what you will get? Now see beta, question number 5. See, I stopped the camera and draw it because my drawing is very poor, very frankly. Now see, what actually the question number 5, what is the statement of question 5? You can see the figure from in your book beta. I have made this figure only to make you understand how the facts are used. See beta, in the statement if you observe, a small terrace at a football ground comprises 15 steps like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and so on. 15 steps are there. You can watch the figure you can see the figure in the book. This is the figure I have tried to make it. Okay, now see. Don't worry, I will make you understand the question. Don't worry, I am here. Don't worry, no fear when I am here. Each of which is 50 meter long. See beta, the length of each step is 50 meter long. Okay, you can see in the book's figure also. And one more thing beta, what is given here? This height is 1 by 4 meters. And see beta, this is the breadth of first step now. This is the breadth of first step. This is the, what is this called as? Tread, T-R-E-A-D. It is written there. Every tread is of, see beta, whenever we are putting a step on the place, on a sorry, whatever the word is, what is the word used here? Tread is used, no? Tread is used. See beta, when we are walking on the steps, where the place where we put the step is known as tread. It means these are the steps. When you start to step up, first you will put step here, then next, and so on. Okay, see beta, this is the first step. I am darkening it. I am trying to show it little bit different from the others. This is the first step where you will put your step. This is the thread. Okay. Now if you observe, little bit keen observation you should have. Initial, this is like this. This portion is this like this. Cuboidal, yes or no? This first step is cuboidal. First step is cuboidal and concreased id. See beta, what is the volume of cuboid is LBH. For step 1, concrete used will be LBH, yes or no? So much better cube. What I am writing for first step, LBH. This is the volume of concrete used here. Concrete means masala, cement, etc. Cement, bajri, जो भी मिला के बनाते हैं ना, that is concrete or somewhere it is your mortar, whatever is. This is the material used here for first step. Okay, now see. 4 step second. 4 step second. See, which is the step second? If we see step second, see, this is the step second, beta. Because see, beta, I have taken the concrete used in first step. Now I am removing this first step, beta. If I remove this first step, see beta, what is the remaining part? From the ahead, beta, it was ahead, na? It was ahead. I have taken it out. Now if we see, this is the height of the second step. This will be your second step, which is also in cuboidal shape. It is a little bit looking like this, but it is also the second step. This is also cuboid. Okay, length is 50. Okay, I made it like this, no? It was like this. Now, if I have roughed the first step from the head portion, the portion behind first cuboid is second cuboid, and it is like 50 meters. Breadth is 1 by 2 meters, and height will be 2 by 4 meters. Why, beta? Because according to statement 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 is increasing height of the steps. That's why for second step, LBH will be the concrete used for second step. See, let me give you an example, beta. Suppose this is the first step. This is the first step. And this is the second step behind it. If you observe, beta, what is this? Suppose this is the step. This is the first step. We put the leg here and then here. We first put first step here, then here. Yes or no? Is it able? You all are able? First step, let me see, beta. This is the first step. Arey tik ja re. You will put first step here, second step here, and this is the tread, length, breadth and height. Length, breadth, where we are putting step, this is the height. If we see in these steps, for first 50 by 1 by 2, 1 by 1 by 4, length, breadth and height, this volume of concrete is taken. Now if I remove it, this is the actual condition of second step, where length is same, breadth is same, 1 by 2. But if you see height is increased, it was 1 by 4, this is also 1 by 4. In this cuboid, length is 50, breadth is 1 by 2 and height is 2 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 2 by 4. Okay, this is the condition where it is used here, which is used here. Once again, I am trying to visualize you. These are the steps. First step we put here, second step we put here. See beta, this is the ground level. 1, 2 and so on steps are formed. If we see the first step, length, breadth and height. 50 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. This concrete is done. Now see, this is the second step which is also in the form of cuboid, which was not looking like cuboid. Why? Because first was here and the behind portion was little bit hidden. But if I remove the first step, now see, length, breadth is 1 by 2, height is 2 by 4, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 and so on, the things will go on. Therefore step 3, volume of concrete used in step 3 will be L, B, H and so on. Got it beta? Done? Now I am roughing it. Beta. I think you all have understood the concept. Try to make it little bit easier by watching the video 2-3 times. You will get the result. Now can I rough it? Okay, leave it. See, what we have to find? We have to find the total concrete used now. We have to find total concrete used. See, in step 1, concrete used is 50 by 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. I am writing the total concrete. In second, it was 50 into 1 by 2 into 2 by 4. In third, it was 50 into 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 and up to 15 terms. Why 15 terms? Total 15 such steps are there. In each step, length and breadth are same. Height is increasing by 1 by 4. Okay. Now see, 50 into 1 by 2 can be taken as common. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and so on up to 15 terms. One more thing beta, by 4 is also can be taken as common. Okay. 50 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 inside. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 15 terms. Yes or no? Now see beta, 2 will cancel this. 25 by 4 into. What is this? This is an AP. N by 2 into A plus AN. Yes or no? N by 2 into A plus AN. See, 25 by 4 into 15 by 2 into what is this? 16. 4 4 ja 16, 2 2 ja 16. Output is 25, 15 into 2. 25 into 15 2 ja 30. What it will be? 750 meter cube. This is the volume of concrete used. You got my point beta? See, once again I am repeating the question. Steps, if you differentiate the steps of your home now, you will find that each step is a unique cuboid. Each step is a unique cuboid in oven terms. First step, length was 50, breadth was 1 by 2, height was 1 by 4. Okay, then second step, remove the first step. And once again I am saying beta, these are the steps like, okay, first step, second step, LBH. First step is if taken out, the second step is also kind of cuboid where length and breadth are same as in first case, but the height is here increased. Okay, height is increased by 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and so on up to 50 terms. Total concrete used was this plus this up to 50. Here you can write total concrete volume of total concrete is equal to S1, S2, S3 and so on up to 15 terms. S1 means this used, this used, this used. Okay, now see 15 to 1 by 2, even 1 by 4 is also common. Inside part which is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 15 terms. This is an AP. If you find N by 2 A plus N, you will get this. and multiply this 2 cancel this 25 by 4 into this, you will get 750. 750 cubic meters is the volume of the concrete used is used to make 15 such steps. Okay beta, done. Have a nice day beta, and once again I am requesting, please beta, like the videos, share the videos and give positive comments, and do not fight with each other. Do not fight with each other, okay? Please, it's a humble request beta. And one more thing, I think I have given you the information in the WhatsApp group. Still beta, I am repeating. On Saturday, we are going to conduct the test of chapter 5. See beta, 2, 3, okay. 2 more lectures I will try to make on AP, in which previous and some miscellaneous questions are discussed, so that till Saturday you all are fully prepared for AP. Okay, done beta. Have a nice day.